Hello, nice to meet you all. 大家好，大家好。My name is Pengfei. I'm from Yunnan, southwest of China. I'm bilingual with Mandarin and English. I can read some. You can show my Chinese words to you. Right now, my focus is applying for a better position in a company and year to a master degree in the future. I hope all of us can achieve your dream in America. That's why we came here. Come on. I want to prepare a traditional northern-style Chinese stir-fried dish. For authentic Chinese stir-frying, a hot wok with hot oil is essential. Frequent stirring is also important to ensure the dish is flavorful and appetizing. Start by stir-frying the lamb until cooked through. Set it aside for a moment. Separately, stir-fry the onions and chili peppers until they're about 70% cooked. Add oyster sauce and soy sauce for seasoning. Then mix in the pre-cooked lamb. Stir-fry everything together on high heat for another 2 minutes. Right before serving, add chopped scallions. This way you will have a delicious plate of stir-fried lamb with scallions that is bursting with color, aroma, and flavor.
Hi guys, my name is Xinyu. I'm from Sichuan, China, right here. I have been in the United States for 9 months now. I love life here
And I have met a lot of friends, especially at IRC. I went to a Christmas-themed concert with my friends in Boston. I felt very happy. In addition, I also went to many places such as the Vermont road trip in the fall. And I also went to the Statue of Liberty in New York. I went to the Washington, D.C. to see the giant pandas in America, Qingbao and Baoqing. And I also went to the Niagara Falls to see the surging waterfalls and beautiful rainbows.
Hi guys, I'm back. So I'm very happy to be here. But I also miss Chinese food such as Sichuan chaoshou and jiaozi. This is in my hometown. So I want to share with you my experience of making chaoshou and jiaozi at home in America, and introduce the history of chaoshou and jiaozi in China.
今天我们来做2种不一样的馅，一个是香菇猪肉的抄手馅，一个是大葱猪肉的饺子馅。北方南方的风味，今天一次满足。以前我们都是自己拿刀剁肉，虽然挺费力，但是那种手工剁出来的馅吃起来确实更劲道有嚼劲。大葱在北方特别受欢迎，尤其是包饺子的时候，切碎了跟猪肉拌在一起，提香去腥，吃一口就是熟悉的家的味道。接下来把打碎的肉末倒入碗中，将葱花倒入盛有肉末的碗中，使其充分搅拌均匀。加入姜末、1个鸡蛋、盐、生抽、老抽、蚝油、五香粉及芝麻油。将肉、葱、香菇、鸡蛋调料充分搅拌均匀。现在我们来包抄手，也就是南方人说的馄饨，四川人更喜欢叫抄手，因为它包起来像一只交叉的手，好像在抄着手取暖。我们今天这个馅是猪肉香菇，特别香，适合煮在汤里或者做红油抄手。水开了，咱们现在下饺子喽。煮饺子其实也有小技巧， 水开下锅，等饺子浮起来后，再点2-3次水，再让它们煮得更透、更 Q 弹。在中国，饺子不仅是食物，更多的是一种家的仪式感。小时候最期待的就是一大锅热腾腾的饺子端上桌，全家人围着吃，一边吃一边聊天，那种感觉真的特别温暖。
这不是我包的，
买的。这3个是，这3个是。
这2个。
这是素的还是这是素的还是那个什么的？
Hello, my name is Feets-Dargan. I am come from Haiti. I am 26 years old. I am learning English now at the Immigrant Learning Center. Today I am excited to talk about Haitian culture. In Haitian culture, we have many things we can talk about. But today I prefer to talk about Haitian food. Dans la présentation pamna, moi choisi pour me présenter nous griot, banane pesée et puis pickles. In my dish, I prepared 3 kinds of food: flattened plantain, griot, and the pickles. The first step is to peel the plantain and cut it into 3 or 4 pieces. And after that, I fried it and find a way to flat. To make the pickles, I chopped the carrot, the red onion, and the cabbage. And after that, I put some lemon juice, salt, pepper, and some other ingredients and mix them. This is how I prepared the pickles. The last thing is to cook the meat, the pork. I seasoned the meat. After that, I went with water and I put it in fire just to boil the meat. I add some ingredients: lemon juice, salt, scallion, garlic, celery. There is a lot of other ingredients I could add. And after that, I started frying the pork. This is how I prepared the dish I was talking about. It's a beautiful day. Perfect.
Yeah, she looks familiar with. So you remember the guy?
Maybe he's from our class? Yeah. Do we want to say hello? Hello.
Hey, hello. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing out here?
I'm eating. This is Haitian food. Do you want to try?
Are you sure? Alright. Thank you.
Like the third? Wait. No.
Thank you. Can you tell us what it is before we eat it?
This is griot. In Haitian we call this griot, made with pork.
A pork. Oh,
Yeah.
it's pork.
Fried pork. And this is plantain.
Plantains?
Yes. You can
You want, okay.
By yourself?
Pengfei was saying you're new to class. When did you start?
Yeah, 1 week ago.
1 week.
Too short.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have been here like 8 months.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
It's really spicy.
Oh, it's delicious.
It is delicious.
I like this.
It is really delicious. So.
Thank you.
Yes.
Oh,
It's delicious. It's delicious.
Surprise! Okay.
finish.
Action.